Hi there. Happy you're here and ready to learn how to create and customize QuickBase tables. To do this, you'll need the app tutorial Getting to Know QuickBase. If you followed along with video 2, you already have this app and you're all set. If you didn't get the app yet, no worries. Pause this video, go to QuickBase Exchange, and get the app tutorial Getting to Know QuickBase. You'll need this app to continue on our adventure. Sally and her team are counting on you. So let's go. Sign in and open the tutorial app. All the tables in the app are available from the table bar across the top. Sally's app tracks her customers, which are businesses. She also wants to track her contacts, who are individual people at each business. Let's track contacts in a new table. There are 2 ways to create a new table, either from scratch or by connecting to data stored in another app, service, or CSV file. Since Sally has never tracked contacts outside of her Rolodex, we'll make this table from scratch. Name the table Contacts. Choose an icon for the table. This one looks good. Click Create. Now we'll create the fields in the Contacts table: name, phone, address, and email. Type name as the field label and select text as the field type. There are lots of different field types you can choose from when you add or edit a field. Let's add fields for phone, address, and email. You can change these and other field properties in settings. When you're ready, click Add. Here are the fields you added, along with the 5 built-in fields that QuickBase creates for you in each table: date created, date modified, record ID number, record owner, and last modified by. You may have noticed that there's more to a table than just fields. Each table has a homepage that displays when you access the table from the table bar. It also has reports and charts and forms for entering info into the table. You can set up notifications, subscriptions, and reminders, decide who can access the table, and what information is shared among tables. We'll get into that fun stuff in later videos. For now, let's exit table settings and check out Sally's new contacts table. There are no contacts yet, but they're easy to add. When you create a table, QuickBase creates a form so you can enter info into your table. Click New Contact to add your first contact. You can see the form QuickBase created for you with name, address, and phone number fields. Sally's ready to add John Mitchell as her first contact, but John's tough to get a hold of. He's never at his desk. Sally needs to include John's mobile number too, but she forgot to add a field for mobile when she created the table. This is where you come in. Limber up those fingers and right-click to add a field for mobile numbers. Let's add mobile right after phone, so we'll right-click and select Add a field after this one. Select Create a new field. We'll call it Mobile and select Phone number as the field type. Click Done. There's the new mobile field, added to the contacts table and available on the new contact form. So let's add John as Sally's first contact. Click Save to view the new record. Cool, Sally now has a contact. Click Contacts in the table bar. Here's your new table homepage. QuickBase automatically creates this homepage for you when you build a new table. By default, table homepages use the List All report. This report lists all records in the table, so after Sally adds the rest of her contacts, they'll all display here. Later, when you make your own reports, you can change the table homepage to display a different report if you want. Congratulations! You just built a table, added fields from a form, created a new record, and gave Sally access to contacts who can help grow her business. Take a minute to bask in the glory, but not too long. Your job isn't done yet. Sally wants to make it quick and easy for her sales reps to enter new contacts. Next up, we'll show you how to customize the contacts form with sections, headings, multiple choice fields, and more. You won't want to miss it.